There's something in the air, calling me like triple double dare. Makes me feel like, makes me feel like a little jump scare when you dream I'm coming for your nightmares. Make you scream like, make you scream like. Let's get malevolent. Na 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 na. Get malevolent. Na 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 na. Malevolent. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Malevolent. You know there's no way out. You know there's no way out. Malevolent. You know there's no way out. You know there's no way Here at the start of something new, we feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through, we feel our hearts exploding, our story.
Mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala kung ano man yung napapagalitan kita, napagsasabayan kita dahil gusto ko kasi na makatapos ka talaga ng pag-aaral. At syempre may mga edad na rin kami kaya kailangan mong magiging, yung makayanan mo yung sarili mong kung halimbawa wala na kami, na kaya mo na at makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. I love you, anak. And happy 18th birthday.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we
Sana mas marami ka pang happy memories, blessings, success, and genuine people around you. Enjoy your special day, have fun, and make the debut unforgettable because you truly deserve it.
Wind at our back, our life in bloom. We see a world of wonder, a hope uncovered.
Ipagbigyan na natin yung maganda. Pero feeling ko ito po yung hindi alam ng lahat kay Maricel. Siyempre, ang alam lang nila, maganda siya, and matapang, maldita, yan po, spoiled. Pero hindi po nila alam, napakalaki po ng emotional intelligence ni Maris. Na hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo na naiintindihan ka niya, pero gagawa siya ng paraan para sumaya ka kasi alam niyang down ka. Yun po yung hindi nila alam kay Maris.
We also want to witness you achieve happiness and peace you truly deserve. And today, I just hope you enjoy every moment, create beautiful memories, and never forget how special you are. Yan lang. Happy 18th birthday.
Maris, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. You're now of legal age, meaning pwede ka nang makulong. So lahat ng kalokohan mo, pag-isipan mo muna bago mo gawin. Okay? From this point on, you need to choose your friends. You need to choose the people who you surround yourself with. Because these people will help mold who you really are. Right now, may isip mo na kilalang kilala mo na yung sarili mo, pero there are a lot of things about you that you still don't know. I guess the rest, pag-uusapan na lang natin. Happy birthday.
Maging stress reliever mo yung mga hobby na yon. I really hope na makahanap ka ng something na magpapasayo sa'yo. For now, wag mo na yung boys. Charay. Seriously, syempre, yung journey mo ngayon, sana mas mahanap mo yung sarili mo and mas maging malapit ka pa kay God. Kapag andito lang ako lagi para makinig sa mga gusto mong sabihin, gusto mong ikwento, kahit na paulit-ulit, andito lang ako, andito lang si ate. Hindi ako very vocal about it, but I love you so much and I'm proud of you.
Matapang siya. Hindi siya magpatalo sa pag may mag-api sa kanya. Gusto ko lang sa'yo makatapos sa pag-aaral. Happy birthday. I love you.